What's up guys, Jake here again, and on today's episode we'll be doing our first mod on the 3rd Gen Tacoma, which will be a TRD Pro style grill. I'm gonna get rid of this ugly one and make this front end look a lot better. Stay tuned. First thing you're gonna wanna do is remove the clips on each side of your grill, located next to the headlights. And then there are two 10mm bolts in the middle, and then there's also, if you have the TSS, there is a connection you need to disconnect. Once you get the grill off, there are two screws right here to get the sensor off. Once you get the sensor out, you have 8 screws that is holding in the old surrounding of the grill and some tabs to pull out. Here's the final product. Say it turned out really good. Not too tricky to install, so yeah, first mod on the 3rd Gen. What's next? Stay tuned.